planning Christmas dinner and getting overwhelmed? Well, today, let's see if ChatGPT can help us create a great Christmas menu. So here, we're just starting with the prompt. You are a chef and party planner. I need help creating a Christmas dinner menu. Nice and easy. Now, this might vary depending on where you're from. A lot of countries have got different main proteins and side dishes they have for Christmas. Creating a classic dinner menu that feels festive, delicious, and manageable is all about balancing classic flavors. Appetizers, bacon wrapped dates. Not sure about that. Spinach and artichoke. Shrimp cocktails. Herb crusted prime rib. Glazed ham. I've got to have a ham. Side dishes. So, I think two options. I mean, a whole prime rib would be nice. But we've got, how many people have we got? Let's say we are feeding 16 people, so 3 to 4 mains might be good. While it's doing that, side dishes, mashed potato, carrots, bean almondine, green beans sorted with butter, almonds. I've never even heard of that. Stuffing with sausage and cranberries, eggnog, mulled wine. I've actually never tried mulled wine, but I've heard it's quite good. Main course, prime rib, glazed ham. So for us, we always enjoy a bit of fresh seafood for our main as well. So obviously here you're just going to add in what you would normally, your main dishes that you use. So it can kind of build around that. Can you please include fresh seafood? That's a staple for us at Christmas. Someone's always, one of the family is always standing in line for an hour or two at the seafood shop, waiting for fresh seafood. Prime rib, ham, baked salmon, a paella. That's not a bad option, actually. Something a bit, what have I done there? Something a little bit different. Mashed potato, lobster mac and cheese. So here you can see you've got different ways, different food options that you might not normally think about. Like we normally just do fresh seafood, but actually creating something with the seafood would be a great idea. Definitely handy to mix things up a little bit. Desserts, tiramisu, trifle, we always do a trifle. Key lime pie, chocolate dipped strawberries, not a bad way to go. Now, we have got kids. So can you think of something for children under 10 to eat? Oh, I should have probably said not seafood. Let's see what they say. Chat, are you staying away from seafood, please? Yes. Mini cheese pizzas, chicken tenders, mac and cheese cups. That's not a bad option. Sweet potato fries, butter noodles, veggie sticks. So let's come up with quite a nice little menu there. So you can see how easy it is. You can then just go through and say, my favorite dessert is pavlova. However you spell it. Let's see. I don't like adding all these to memory. Manage memories. Actually, I've just cleared my memory. Pavlova. So here I wouldn't mind trying a different twist on pavlova. Oh, pavlova. Okay, so I've been saying it wrong all my life. Can you give me some interesting ways to mix up pavlova with different twists as versatile festive toppings. Layered pavlova. So as you can see, very easy to do. Just go through, add your own twist on things, your own thoughts, ideas, what you're up to, you know, your guests. You can be more specific there, but it is so easy just to get a menu down pat, and then, you know, very easily you can go, how do I make the honey glazed carrots? There we go, and you get your recipe right there. So ChatGPT is amazing for this type of thing. I use it often for just pretty much this exact thing. If I'm doing a barbecue for friends and I want to do something a little bit different with the salads, I'll jump on chat and we have a bit of a discussion about different salads, and it's always finding me something different and unique to make. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.